Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I'm really excited about this phone. Like, I'm so much excited about this phone that I pre-ordered this phone 12 o'clock on dot when the pre-order started. This is the base version of the Note 20 Ultra, 128GB version. In my last video, I said the base version of the Note 20 Ultra is 256GB. I'm kind of wrong and I'm kind of right at the same time. If you're living in the United States, you're gonna get a 128GB base version. But if you're living in other countries like the UK or other European countries, you're gonna get 256GB version. And there's actually a reason for that. It's all because of the old Snapdragon Exynos fiasco. People have been complaining that the Exynos chip is less powerful than the Snapdragon chip. So Samsung is trying to compensate for that by dropping the base version of the Snapdragon variant of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra to 128GB and leaving the international version, the European version of the Note 20 Ultra, 256GB. And they actually removed some stuff in the box. Let's see what comes in the box, and I'm going to tell you what Samsung has removed from the box compared to the European version of the Note 20 Ultra. I'm really excited about this phone. Anyways, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, let's see what comes in the box. Okay, now for the moment of truth. Okay, why do I always, I don't know, anytime I want to open the box, I always go through some kind of stress. I don't know. It should be very easy to open. And this is one thing I commend Apple for. Anytime you buy an iPhone, the box is always easy to open. But because I love the Note 20 Ultra, I'm going to give it a pass. Okay, come on, come on.
20 minutes later.
Okay, finally, for the moment of truth. Let's see what comes in the box. Wow. The first thing you're gonna see is the phone itself. Mystic Bronze. This phone looks so good. Like, I actually got this phone because of this color. Apart from my YouTube channel, and just to show you guys, I actually got this phone because of the color. I love this color, Mystic Bronze. Check this out. I really love this color, like, so crazy. One thing you're gonna notice right off the box is the camera bump. This thing is so huge. Check this out. The camera bump is so huge. But like I said, I love the Note 20 Ultra. I'm gonna give it a pass. So let's put this one aside and see what else comes in the box. Let's see what else comes in the box. I don't know what this is, but let's just put that to the side. You get your power cable, USB-C to USB-C, which is like a standard now. Thanks, Samsung. Some phone companies are still using Lightning. I don't want to mention the name. Let me just mention the name, Apple. When I go to switch to USB-C. But anyways, we have to appreciate that Samsung is keeping the USB-C. Let's see what else comes in the box. You get, wow, your charging brick. You actually get a charging brick. I was not expecting this because according to what I watched online, the US version are not supposed to get the earpiece and the charging brick. But I'm really surprised. I hope they didn't send the Exynos version of the Note 20 Ultra. I want my Snapdragon. But anyways, you get your fast charger. In fact, it's called super fast charging. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see if I can pull the focus. In fact, it's called super fast charging. It's good to know that we have that in the box. And I guess that's it for what comes in the box. So let's get back to the phone itself. Oh my god, I'm really excited about this phone. Like, really excited about this phone. Oh man, the camera bump is so huge, like really huge. Now to the most satisfying part of unboxing a phone, pulling off the tab. I really love pulling off the tab. I don't know why, it's so satisfying. Let's pull off the tab. Wow. It doesn't have any smell. Let me smell the box. It doesn't really have like the brand new stuff, like brand new smell to it, but I don't really care. The display also has a pull tab, so let's pull that off. Wow. It's so satisfying to pull off a tab. This phone looks so good. Check this out, guys. And I love the frosted back of the phone. This phone looks good in camera, but in person, the phone actually looks amazing. If anyone is gonna get the Note 20 Ultra, try out the Mystic Bronze. This phone actually looks The color of this one actually looks so good. So anyways, like I said, I got the base version of the Note 20 Ultra, which is 128GB of internal memory, and it's powered by the Snapdragon 865 Plus, which is the most powerful chip you're gonna get on any Android right now, not any smartphone, any Android. I mean, I'm gonna be doing a comparison between this phone and my iPhone 11 Pro Max, which I'm using to shoot this video right now. So watch out for that. If that sounds like something you're interested in, smash the subscribe button and turn on notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I drop a new video. So let's turn on the phone. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. I mean, one name, I really love that Ultra. It's so satisfying. Ultra. Starting Android. I mean, you can actually feel the bump at the back of the phone. Like when you're holding the phone, you can feel the bump. The bump is so crazy. I don't know if I'm over exaggerating, but the bump at the back of the phone is so huge. I mean, check this out, guys. The bump is so huge. So anyways, I'm gonna set up the phone. Let me just skip through all this part, and I'm going to get to you guys very soon. Right off the box, the display on the Note 20 Ultra is amazing. In fact, Samsung makes one of the best display on any smartphone right now. In fact, they supply some of the display for Apple and other companies. And the display on the Note 20 Ultra is a 1440p AMOLED display, and it has 120Hz refresh rate, which means, and it also has this feature called adaptive refresh rate, which means that the refresh rate of the phone can vary from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, depending on what you're doing with your phone. Let's say you're playing game now, the refresh rate is going to vary from 90 Hz to 120 Hz. And maybe let's say if you're watching Netflix or something like that, most movies on Netflix or YouTube, for example, is going to vary from 24 to 60 Hz. Obviously, you don't need 120 Hz. So the phone is actually capable of manipulating the refresh rate of the phone, which is actually cool, which means it's going to save a lot of battery life. And speaking of battery, the battery on the Note 20 Ultra is a 4500 mAh battery. And right now, with the way I'm holding this phone, obviously there's no need for the phone to be on 120 Hz refresh rate. So right now the phone could be like on 1 Hz to 5 Hz, which is going to manage my battery life very good. At the back of the phone is a triple lens camera system. So the camera at the back of the Note 20 Ultra is a 108 megapixel wide angle camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 12 megapixel telephoto camera. And it also has a laser autofocus sensor, which is going to assist the camera when it comes to autofocus. Now let's talk about the main feature of the Note 20 Ultra, which is the main reason why people get the Note 20 Ultra in the first place, which is the S Pen. To pull out the S Pen, all you got to do is just press down on the S Pen on the bottom right corner of the phone, and the S Pen is gonna be out. Once you pull out the S Pen for the first time, the phone is gonna display some kind of tutorial on how to use the S Pen. Anyways, that's the Note 20 Ultra. Let me just recap on what comes in the box. You get your fast charging adapter and USB-C to USB-C cable, and I guess that's it. Not really much. That's it. In fact, it doesn't even come with a manual. Oh, did I miss that? Yeah, I knew something. I knew something was missing because I knew something was missing. Let me see. Let me see what comes in the box. Yeah, the manual. It doesn't even come with a case. Anyways, if you really enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell. I'm gonna be dropping a lot of videos on the Note 20 Ultra and other phones actually. I've not been uploading because I've been waiting for the Note 20 Ultra, but now that the Note 20 Ultra is here, I'm gonna be dropping a lot of videos. So you might wanna consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I drop a new video. I mean, this phone costs a lot. This is $12.99 right here. $12.99. That's a lot of money for a phone, but I love tech. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night or morning. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.